Strong flood waters overnight and into Tuesday severely damaging or destroying bridges all over northern Baltimore County, like right here on Mount Carmel Road, a couple miles west of Falls Road. State highway crews faced with the task of repairing it while wondering about more rains to come.
What it did here is it took down all the fences and took out the macadam on the road.
South over on Montua Mill Road, Pete Calhoun watched as a bridge was damaged by floodwaters about 18 feet high, he says, something he hasn't seen since Hurricane Ella in 1978.
Everybody's water just came down the hillside and took us out.
And at the Worthington Tavern in Hunt Valley, manager Paul Cumberland told us about his basement that now has about 3 feet of water in it, but he's trying to make the best of a bad situation.
It's unprecedented that I've been around Maryland in July, this much rain, but it's good for the grass, I guess.
Not for your basement.
Not for the basement of the business.
In the Green Spring area, motorists scramble to move their cars at Meadowood Regional Park as the Deep Run Creek runs over its banks and into the parking lot. No cars were damaged, but there were some close calls.
I'm shocked, I thought. I'm very shocked that rain. Oh my God, I can't believe that.
Now, a foreman out here with the State Highway Administration tells me that right now what they're trying to do while the construction goes on here, out here off to the left of this construction where the water is flowing, they've dammed it up here, moved the dirt, put in sandbags to have the water flow around and under this where the bridge was. So just in case there are heavy rains tonight, it doesn't flood out the road where I'm standing right now. There are different road closures around Baltimore County and the region. For the latest on that, you can go to our website, WBALTV.com, or our mobile app as far as when this particular stretch of road here will be reopened again. State Highway folks out here tell me what they're going to do first is make sure that there's no rain in the forecast so they can repair the bridge so it doesn't get flooded again. We're live in Upperco near Hereford. I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.